Let's go through the question first. Figure 1 shows sector AOB of a circle with center O and radius 7 centimeters. So we have to find out. And also the angle is given as 1.2 radians. We have to calculate the area of the sector AOB. Now, we know that what is a sector? Sector is actually part of a circle. Like say, for example, this is a sector. And this is also a sector. This yellow shaded region is the major sector. And this black shaded region is the minor sector. So anyway, in case of sector, if you want to find out the area of the sector, we can use two formula. If the angle is given in radian, we have to use the formula area equals to half r squared theta. So half into radius is 7 and theta is 1.2. So the result is going to be 29.4 centimeters squared. But if the angle was given in degree, then we have to use the formula theta by 360 into pi r squared. So be careful about it. Look at the angle, whether it is given in radian or degree. And depending on the unit of the angle, you have to use whether half r squared theta or theta by 360 into pi r squared. Next, we have to find out the perimeter. Any shape, if you want to find out the perimeter, you have to consider all the length that is enclosing the area, that is enclosing the surface. Like if you look at this sector, the area is enclosed by OA, OB, and AB arc. OA and OB sides and AB arc. So we have to find out the length of all the sides. All the sides are curved that is enclosing the area or enclosing the surface. All right, so perimeter will be OA plus OB plus AB arc. AB arc. So OA and OB, both of them are radius, so it's going to be 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. You don't have to write down the units again and again. In the final answer, you can write down the unit. And AB arc. So for finding out the arc length, if the angle is given in radian rather than degree, so the formula will be r theta, radius into angle. So 14 plus radius is 7 and theta is 1.2. So if you multiply it, the result is going to be 22.4 centimeter. So perimeter is one kind of length, so unit will be centimeter. And sector area is always centimeter, unit square. So it's centimeter square or meter square. Depends on the unit that is given in the question. So that's very easy. I think you have understood. So let's move on to next question.